Friends, in a series of Let's Revise 2 marks questions on complete syllabus, this is the part 3. Previously we have uploaded part 1 and part 2, and the links of these 2 parts are given in the description box. I request you to go through these 2 parts also. And friends, your likes, dislikes and the comments are assets to us. So please do not forget to register your likes or even dislikes and the comments, since that are assets to us. Friends, let us move to the first question of this series. Friends, the question is, the sum of 2 natural numbers is 240 and they are in the ratio 3:5. Find the numbers. So friends, first let's assume that the 2 natural numbers be x and y, and therefore according to the question, the sum of that 2 natural numbers is 240 and therefore x plus y is equal to 240. And it is also given that they are in the ratio 3:5. So x upon y, that is equal to 3/5. So this is, take y to this side, and so you will get x is equal to 3y/5. So let this be equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. Now put this x in equation number 1. So putting in equation 1, we get x that we are putting as 3y/5. So it will be 3y/5 plus y, which is equal to 240. Now multiply by y throughout the equation, and therefore you will get this as 3y plus 5y, which is equal to 240 multiplied by 5. 240 multiplied by 5. So this will be 8y, which is equal to 240 multiplied by 5. So 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are 24, 30. So y is equal to 5 threes are 15. So it will be 150. So here you have got the value of y. So highlight this first important step, that y is equal to 150. Now put this value of y in equation number 2. So putting in equation 2. So if you put y is equal to 150 in equation 2, you will get it as x is equal to 3 multiplied by 150 upon 5. So this will be 5 threes are 15, 0, and so x is equal to 3 threes are 9, 90. So x is equal to 90 and y is equal to 50. So at the end, please write the answer. Do not forget to write the answer, because the answer 2 has got the marks weightage, and that is of the half mark. So here the required 2 natural numbers are 90 and 150. So friends, now move to the second question. So the next question is on the screen. In the figure, O is the center of the circle. In the figure, O is the center of the circle such that diameter of the circle AB is equal to 13 centimeter. This diameter AB is 13 centimeter and AC is 12 centimeter. This AC is 12 centimeter and BC is joined. Find the area of the shaded region. You have to find the area of this shaded region. So here we can find the area of the shaded region as area of semicircle minus area of this triangle, it will give you the area of the shaded region. But to find this area of the triangle, that is 1/2 base into height, this angle will be 90 degree, this angle will be 90 degree, because this is the diameter, and this angle ACB is inscribed in a right angled and therefore inscribed in a semicircle, and therefore this angle is 90 degree, and therefore this is a right angle triangle. And using Pythagoras theorem we can find BC, because AC is given to you and AB is also given to you. So here you will first write the given things. Given AB is equal to 13 centimeter, AC is equal to 12 centimeter, correct? And here ACB, angle ACB is equal to 90 degree, because angle inscribed in semicircle is right angled, and therefore ACB is 90 degree, and therefore in triangle ACB we have, in triangle ACB we have AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. This is by Pythagoras theorem. And since AB square, that is 13 square, that will be 160, AB square, so that is 13 square, so it will be 169, which is equal to AC square. AC is 12, so it will be 12 square, that is 144 plus BC square. So take 144 to this side, it will be minus, so 169 minus 144, that will be 25, and therefore BC square is equal to 25, and therefore BC is equal to 5 centimeter, and therefore you have got this first important step. So highlight this, BC is equal to 5 centimeter. Now you have got the BC. Now we will find the area of the shaded region. Area of shaded region that is equal to area of semicircle minus area of triangle ACB, correct? Now area of semicircle, that will be equal to 1/2 pi r square, 1/2 pi r square, minus area of triangle 1/2 base into height. So 1/2, that is pi, that is 3.14, multiplied by radius r, that is half of 13, so 13 by 2 square, that is 13 by 2 into 13 by 2, minus this will be half into base. Base is what? BC, that we have got as 5 centimeter, so it will be 5 multiplied by height is 12 centimeter. So this is 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14, and this will be 2 ones are 2, 2 6s are 12, and if you solve this you will get it as 66.33 minus 6 5s are 30, and so which is equal to 36.33 square centimeter. And so at the end you will write the answer, area of shaded region, that is equal to 36.33 square centimeter. Now friends, let us move to the next question. A game consists of tossing 1 rupee coin 3 times and noting the outcome each time. Ramesh will win the game. Ramesh will win the game if all the tosses show the same result, that is either heads or all tails, and loses the game otherwise. Find the probability that Ramesh lose the game. Here, since 1 rupee coin is tossed 3 times and noted the outcomes, the total possible outcomes will be 8, and that will be H, head, head, or H, T, or H, head, tail, head, or T, comma, or H, T, head, tail, tail, or T, comma, or T, tail, tail, head, or T. And the number of possible favorable outcomes will be, it is said that if either heads or either tails are shown up, then he wins and loses the game otherwise. And we have to find the probability that Ramesh will lose the game. Means H and T, these two are not favorable to Ramesh, because if all the 3 are heads or all the 3 are tails, then he will win the game, and for rest of the options he will lose the game. And we have to find the probability of losing the game. So the favorable outcomes will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and so favorable outcome is 6. And therefore friends, it is probability of A that will be equal to 6 upon 8. So it will be 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, and therefore the probability of losing the game will be 3 by 4. And so friends, the probability of losing the game is 3 upon 4. Now let us move to the next question. So friends, question is, in the figure, a square OABC is inscribed in a quadrant OPBQ of a circle. If OA is equal to 20 centimeter, find the area of the shaded region. Friends, here it is given that OABC is a square and OPBQ is a quadrant. This is a quadrant, and OABC is a square where OA is 20 centimeter. And we have to find the area of the shaded region. So how will you find the area of the shaded region? It will be the area of a quadrant minus area of the square. But to find the area of a quadrant, we will require the radius. So first join OB. If you join OB is a radius, and since this is a square, this angle will be 90 degree, and therefore OAB is a right angle triangle. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we can find the radius. So first find the radius OB. So here friends, join OB, and therefore in triangle OAB, OB square, which is equal to OA square plus AB square. The reason is what? It is Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. And OB square, which is equal to OA is 20 square, that is 400, plus AB is also 20, so it will be 20 square will be 400, and therefore OB square, which is equal to 400 plus 400, we can write as 2 into 400, and therefore taking square root of both the sides, so OB is equal to square root of this, so it will be 20 root 2 centimeter. So here you have got the radius as 20 root 2 centimeter. And now we can find the area of the shaded region. So area of shaded region that is equal to area of quadrant minus area of square, and so which is equal to area of quadrant is 1/4 pi r square. Quadrant is the fourth part of the circle, so minus area of a square, that is side square, and so which is equal to 1/4 multiplied by pi is 3.14 multiplied by r square. So r is what? It is 20 root 2 multiplied by 20 root 2 minus side square, that is 20 square. So which is equal to 1/4 into 3.14 into 20 root 2 into 20 root 2. So root 2 into root 2 will be 2. 20 into 20, that will be 400. 400 into 2, that will be 800. So this will be 800 divided by 4. So 4 2s are 8. So it will be 200. So you will get it as 3.14 multiplied by 200 minus 20 square, that is 400. So this can be solved further as 3.14 into 200. If you multiply this, that you will get it as 628 minus 400, and so that is equal to 228 square centimeter. And therefore friends, area of the shaded region is equal to 228. Now friends, today we will stop here only, and I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.